What is up, ladies and gentlemen? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency, what I've been up to in the cryptocurrency market. I'm going to be talking about three topics: my long-term and short-term goals in the market. Also going to be talking about this thing about a 4-year cycle or an extended cycle. So if either this bull run is over or we're in the middle of it being over, or if this cycle is going to extend maybe 3, 4, 5 more months. We're going to have a look at that. And then I'm going to talk a little bit of numerology, astrology, and tarot with the crypto market. So let's get to it. All right, so long term, I am very bullish with cryptocurrencies. My goal is to accumulate as much Bitcoin and Ethereum and hold that in a long term, as a long term investment. I'm also very bullish with silver as a precious metal to preserve my wealth, as well as potentially increase my wealth. So long term bullish in the crypto markets. And I just wanted to throw that silver, precious metal that I'm very interested in. So these three things are going to be my long-term goals to accumulate as much as possible. Short-term, I'm just going to play it day by day. We might be going up. So this cycle or this bull run might be in its final stages. So we might have already seen the top of Bitcoin, and I am prepared to face that. Or if we get an extended market, I will also be prepared to play that out. So I am, at the end of the day, I'm not 100% sure what will happen. As weeks go by, I will be more confident as where I think we are or where I think I'm going to position myself in. And I'll share some of those thoughts coming up. So today's December 22nd. A lot of people are really excited of what's happening today. We've had a good move up. Some people are saying that we are breaking out of this wedge and that we can go a lot higher, maybe till the mid 50s, 54,000. That would be amazing if we can get there in the next few days. I have these two kind of trend lines going, this other wedge, and I can see if we can get out of there, retest that we can move up to the 50,000 area. My main concern right here is that if we do move up, this could be a bull trap and dead cat bounce. So as in the previous bull runs, where let's say we've topped in the $69,000 area, we come down and we will try to get back up there. We'll have that bull trap, dead cat bounce, and then we'll be moving back down. So I'm not 100% sure what will happen, but if we get into that mid $50,000 area, I will be selling some bags. If we get up to the $60,000 area, I'll be definitely selling a bit more. And if for some reason we have not topped out yet and we start moving right up, I will still be happy as well, because I will still have some Bitcoin that I could sell later on if we are continuing this bull run, and if we are right at the middle of it being like it's going to be the parallel, or not the parallel, the parabolic top. Now, something I'm really looking at is XLM and XRP. Now, these are somewhat considered like the New World Order coins or the banker coins. XRP is moving up pretty nicely today. If both of these coins, this is the ones I am eyeing at, because I think if these ones start just going crazy and moving all the way up, for me would signal that we have ended this bull run, because these were the coins that in the previous bull market run, these kind of hit their peak last or later than all these other altcoins. So if these start moving up like crazy and start doing these new all-time highs, I can be more certain that we are pretty much at the end of the bull run. Now, if the altcoins don't blow up, especially these two, and somehow we start moving down, and we don't really see much action with XRP and XLM, then I will be considering that we've going into this extended bull run. So we might not be topping out in December and January, but we might top out maybe in 3 months from now, 4 months from now. I'm not quite sure. So if these things don't run up, these other altcoins don't run up like crazy, then I will be more confident that we are going into an extended bull run. So I also could see that Bitcoin can kind of do something similar where it's done in the past, where we have had the market just pretty much go around these curves, come back here, maybe run up to around here and get that dip right there, and then we'll have a maybe prolonged accumulation area. I'm not quite sure, but taking it day by day, and we'll see how we play this market. So if you've been following me in the past, I've been looking more into astrology and numerology to try to understand this market. Now, we've had a really interesting event here in this new moon where we had, I believe it was a solar eclipse. On that day, the market just plummeted. So now we are here on a new moon. Usually in the new moons, we have somewhat of like a bottom. You see here we have a bottom, a rose. Here we have somewhat of a bottom, and then we rose to a new moon. Could this play out the same way? Maybe. We could have a new moon. I believe it's January 7th. So around January 7th, maybe if we get that dead cat bounce, or if we can just start soaring, we'll see. I could see that we can have a little bit of a bullish momentum until January 7th, I believe, is the next new moon. Don't quote me on that. I believe it's January 7th. So now I'm going to share some stuff I've been seeing with like the Astro tarot community with cryptocurrency, and a lot of people are kind of showing a danger sign in December 23rd, which will be tomorrow. Here is Deep Sea. Bitcoin, look out for Thursday 23rd December. Nasty volatile start of the day, price down. More volatility at the end of the day, price mostly down, overall price down. They are saying that tomorrow will be a down day. We have another astrologer right here, big red warning. Strong red. You have a look at another astrologer, crypto market on December 23rd. Something happens that triggers a nuke. So right here we have a few key dates that I've been taking note of, some astrologers and people that practice tarot with cryptocurrency. And so for the most part, I see them signaling the 23rd and 24th as a down day, as well as 28 and 29 as a potential down date, and maybe even this one a bit more severe. We'll see how it plays out. And then January will be going sideways and up maybe. February will be like a breakthrough month where we'll be kind of restarting the bull run. And in March, that's where we'll probably be close to the peak if we have this extended bull run. So now we'll see how this plays out. If these things come to pass, then I'll definitely put more focus into these people that read tarot and do astrology. Another thing I found pretty interesting is that on December 23rd is the end of Saturnalia, which is this ancient Roman festival. I guess honoring Saturn. It's quite interesting if you want to kind of have a look at this. This is on Wikipedia. There's people that say it has some ties to Christmas. Last but not least, December 23rd is the Federal Reserve's anniversary. So it can definitely be a ritual event. If something crazy goes on tomorrow, you could definitely you definitely know these markets are rigged, and they just run on these ritual dates and stuff like that. It could be some proof that that is the case. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I'll probably see you guys in the new year. Peace.